Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully fun unboxing. What we have here is something very special, but I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not exactly sure what it is, but trust me, it's special. So here we go. Again, children, if you ever watch my videos, always remember to not open packages the way that I open them. I just do it for speed. So I've got the need for speed. There we go. That's for me to see, for you guys not to see. Let's see, what is this cool thing that came in the box, and then there's a box inside a box. I have no clue, but it looks like it's gonna be fantastic. And that I am sure of. So let's see how to open the box that's within the box that's within the box.
Likey